popped painkillers without thinking? Or maybe continued an antibiotic, that one you didn't finish last year. So you think to continue this year because you feel you're experiencing similar symptoms.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now.
I'm sure you're not alone. But self-medicating can silently be hurting you, and here is how. But first, I would love to tell you a little bit about self-medicating. This simply means taking medications or herbal remedies without supervision or advice from a health professional. It could be over-the-counter medication, herbal teas, leftover prescriptions, or even medications you share with family and friends. It's convenient, right? But what you don't know can hurt you. I know people self-medicate for several reasons. Can be for convenience, can be to cut costs. Others self-medicate to avoid hospital and clinic wait times. We know how stressful that can be. While others self-medicate because they don't think the illness is that serious. I'll just pop a little Tylenol. It's just headache. It's not that serious. The people that are seated on the high table for today's topic are people that self-medicate due to past experience. They feel they've experienced the symptoms before. Those people that go, once I start feeling some sort of bitter taste in my tongue, or once I feel that headache, I know it's malaria. Yeah. So I'll just take anti-malaria. And there's that antibiotic, that leftover one I didn't finish, so I'll just take that. Usually when I feel this way, that's what I take. No, don't do that. First, you can misdiagnose. Taking the wrong medication for the wrong illness can make things worse. Imagine a situation where you're having a headache due to high blood pressure, but because you're not aware of this, so you just go ahead and pop that pain reliever. Of course, it's going to give you that relief, but you would also be masking the actual danger you're in, which is the fact that your blood pressure is really high and you need immediate medical attention. Another reason people shouldn't self-medicate is the fact that it can lead to drug interactions. Example, your herbal supplements can interact with your antihypertensives or anti-diabetic medications. This can be very dangerous for you. Next is the fact that self-medicating can lead to antibiotic resistance. Misusing antibiotics can make bacteria become stronger and difficult to kill. When you discontinue an antibiotic or you even take it when it's not needed, you're teaching bacteria how to come back and fight stronger. Trust me, they're going to come back and fight. And most times when you need the antibiotic to clear up an infection you just caught, it's not going to be useful for you because bacteria develop resistance to the drug. Self-medicating can also increase the risk of addiction. Certain medications like painkillers, sleeping pills, and of course, cough syrups are habit forming, especially when it's not taken under any kind of supervision by a health professional. So you shouldn't abuse that. Take it as prescribed by your doctor because those medications can actually hurt your liver or your kidneys. Pain is your body's alarm system. Numbing it yourself can mask serious health conditions like appendicitis, ulcers, or even heart attacks. That's why some people slum and die. Don't be one of those people. As a pharmacist, I would leave you with these few smart steps. See a doctor when you feel unwell, especially if it's been up to 24 to 48 hours. Monitor your body's response to medications and report back to the doctor that prescribed it. Do not share medications or borrow medications from others. Lastly, ensure to read labels and follow instructions carefully. Remember, medications can help, but only when used properly. Do not guess with your health. Speak to a doctor today, even if it's via call or online checkup. It will go a long way. Share this video to people love popping pills without thinking. It could help save their lives. And until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Lead a healthy life.
Thank you for the love that you give. Thank you for the way that you live. You light up my world. You make it all worthwhile. Thank you for the way you make me smile.